All right, hey everyone. So, have you ever imagined a world where building a whole online school is as easy as just ordering takeout?
Hmm.
Well, get this. That's exactly what we're going to be diving into today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're talking about AI Live School Builder. And it's a platform that claims to make creating and launching your very own online school a total piece of cake.
Mm.
Oh, and it even has AI teachers and interactive classes and all that.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty wild. The implications are huge.
I bet. I mean, what I find really interesting about this is that it's not just like another one of those online course platforms, you know?
Right.
It's like promising a whole fully fledged school experience, but powered by AI.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, think about it. You could like create a school for anything. I mean, anything at all, from teaching ancient Greek philosophy to, mastering the latest coding language or whatever,
Mm,
and all with the help of these AI instructors.
that's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
You know what really caught my eye, though? It's not just about creating a school. It's about creating a school that actually makes money.
Oh.
Yeah. They're talking about these really impressive EPCs, and those are earnings per click. And it makes you wonder, could this be a legit way to actually make money online?
Interesting.
Yeah. And on top of that, they're even running a contest, and the prizes are all based on how much revenue you generate.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It really seems like they're going all in on making this a pretty lucrative opportunity for anyone who jumps on board.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if we kind of connect this to the bigger picture, it's interesting to see how this tool is like a reflection of how several trends are all kind of converging at the same time.
Hmm.
Things like the growing popularity of online education, the increasing demand for personalized learning experiences, and then you've got those rapid advancements in AI technology as well. It's like
Hmm.
they took all of these like hot button topics and combined them all into this one powerful platform.
Yeah, exactly. So let's kind of unpack what this AI Live School Builder really offers.
Okay.
They say you get AI-powered school creation, live classes, ready-made content across all sorts of different subjects, and even built-in monetization features. I don't know. I'm curious to see if it can actually live up to all the hype.
Yeah, me too. From what we've been able to gather so far, it looks like the platform covers a really impressive range of subjects.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're not just talking about like the traditional academic areas like math or science or history.
Right.
They're also offering courses on cutting edge tech skills, creative pursuits like art and music, and even personal development topics. It seems to really cater to a wide variety of different interests and learning goals.
So they're aiming for, breadth.
Yeah.
But what about the depth? What's the deal with these AI teachers? I mean, are we talking about, pre-recorded videos, or is there actual interaction happening in these live classes?
Now, here's where things get really interesting. They really emphasize that these AI live teachers aren't just delivering that, static content.
Oh.
They're actually designed to facilitate live and interactive classes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Think like real-time learning where the AI can answer your questions, adapt to your responses, and even personalize the pace of the lesson.
Wow.
It's almost like having a personal AI tutor that's available 204/7.
That's a pretty bold claim.
Yeah.
But I gotta ask, is this really a revolutionary breakthrough in education, or is this just really clever marketing?
Hmm.
Let's dive a little deeper into these AI teachers and see what they can really do.
So what's really fascinating is that these AI teachers aren't just like generic bots. They're designed to specialize in specific subjects.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like having, a whole team of expert instructors, but each one has deep knowledge in their own field, right? Available at your fingertips.
Okay, so instead of one general AI trying to teach everything, we have specialists. Makes sense.
Mhm.
But how many are we talking about here? Can this platform really cover a wide range of subjects? I mean, from basic math to advanced astrophysics.
Well, based on what we've gathered, they're claiming to have AI live teachers for over 20 subjects.
Wow.
And yeah, the range is pretty impressive. They cover all the core academics like math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, you name it. But they go beyond that too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they offer instruction in computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even specific coding languages like Python and JavaScript.
Wow. Python and JavaScript. Those are really in-demand skills right now. It seems like this platform isn't just targeting traditional students. It's also aiming for people who are looking to, upskill or even change careers entirely.
Exactly. And that's actually a key point. It reflects this broader trend we're seeing in education, the rise of lifelong learning.
Right.
With technology evolving so quickly, people are realizing they need to constantly update their skills to stay relevant, in the job market. And this platform seems to be tapping into that demand.
For sure. So we've established they're offering a diverse range of subjects taught by these specialized AI instructors.
Yeah.
But what do these live and interactive classes actually look like? I mean, in practice,
hmm
is it just the AI lecturing, or is there like actual engagement back and forth?
That's where things get really interesting. They emphasize that these AI live teachers are designed to go beyond just delivering, pre-recorded content.
Okay.
They're programmed to engage with students in real time, answering questions, adapting to individual responses, and even tailoring the pace of the lesson based on how a student is progressing.
Okay, so imagine you're in a virtual classroom with this AI instructor. Could you actually like raise your hand and ask a question about, let's say, the intricacies of quantum mechanics?
Right.
And would this AI teacher be able to provide like a clear and personalized explanation?
From what we've gathered, it seems that's exactly what they're aiming for.
Wow.
Yeah,
hmm
trying to create an experience that really mimics the dynamism of a real-world classroom where students can interact with the instructor and get personalized feedback.
But that raises a big question for me. Even if this AI is as intelligent and as responsive as they claim, can it really replace the human connection you get with a real teacher? I mean, there's something about a teacher's passion, their ability to inspire, that I'm not sure you can replicate with code.
Yeah, you raise a really crucial point. The human element in education, it is undeniably important.
Right.
There's the emotional support, the mentorship, the ability to connect with students on a personal level.
Yeah.
These are all things that AI, at least in its current form, can't fully replicate.
Exactly. It's not just about feeding students information. It's about fostering critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving skills,
Yeah.
the qualities that make us well-rounded individuals. And that often requires a human touch.
That's why it's important to view this technology not as a replacement for human educators, but as a potential tool to actually enhance their capabilities.
Okay, yeah.
Imagine a teacher being able to leverage AI to personalize lessons for each student, automate those administrative tasks, and, free up more time to focus on providing individualized support and mentorship.
That's an interesting perspective. It's about finding the right balance between the power of AI and the irreplaceable value of human interaction in education.
Precisely. It's about using technology to create a more effective and engaging learning experience for, well, all students.
Okay, so we've explored kind of the educational side of this platform, but let's not forget they're also heavily promoting the money-making potential of the AI Live School Builder.
Uh-huh.
They're throwing around terms like high EPCs and guaranteed commissions. So what's the deal with all that?
Well, it seems like they're offering various ways to monetize your AI-powered school. You can set up subscription models, offer premium memberships, or even sell individual courses on a one-time payment basis. It's a pretty familiar approach for anyone who's explored, online courses or digital products.
So you're essentially building your own online education business with the AI doing a lot of the heavy lifting. But I'm curious about those claims of high EPCs, earnings per click. Are they implying that for every person who clicks on your affiliate link, you're guaranteed to make like a significant amount of money? That sounds almost too good to be true.
It's certainly a bold claim, and we always need to approach, marketing promises with a healthy dose of skepticism.
Right.
However, they are guaranteeing commissions for affiliates, which suggests a strong belief in the earning potential of this product.
And let's not forget the contest they're running, with prizes based on revenue generated. That definitely incentivizes people to promote this platform aggressively. They even mentioned the involvement of a top affiliate marketer, Uda Pramanik, who's known for his ability to drive massive traffic and sales. His endorsement definitely adds credibility to their claims.
Yeah, it's clear they're putting a lot of effort into marketing this platform, both to potential school creators and to affiliates who can promote it. But beyond the hype and the promises of financial gain, it's crucial to kind of step back and consider the bigger picture.
Absolutely. So let's shift gears and delve into the broader implications of this technology. What are the potential benefits and challenges of AI playing such a significant role in education? What does the future hold for learners and educators alike? Right, so we've talked about like the nuts and bolts of this whole AI live school builder thing,
Mm-hmm.
and we even touched on like the business opportunities a bit.
Yeah.
But I think now is a good time to zoom out and look at the bigger picture, like the potential impact of AI on education. like as a whole.
Yeah.
What are the possible benefits? What are the potential downsides?
Right.
And what does this all mean for the future of learning?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a really, really fascinating landscape.
Yeah.
On the one hand, you have the potential for AI to democratize education in ways we've never seen before.
Right.
Imagine a world where anyone, it doesn't matter where they are, or their background, or even their learning style, they can access high-quality, personalized instruction.
Wow. So we're talking about like breaking down all those traditional barriers that has
Mhm.
kept so many people from, reaching their full potential.
That's exactly right.
No more geographical limitations, no more crazy tuition fees, no more one-size-fits-all curriculum.
Yeah. It's amazing. And the customization possibilities are, they're mind-boggling, really.
Yeah.
With AI, tailoring the pace and content of lessons to each individual learner, we could see some incredible improvements in learning outcomes, right?
Yep.
Students who might have struggled in a traditional classroom, they could really thrive in this type of AI-powered environment.
It's almost like having like a personal tutor for every subject
Right.
available all the time.
Right.
But, let's play devil's advocate for a second.
Okay.
Aren't there potential downsides to AI taking on such a prominent role in education?
Well, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
There are always challenges and risks with any new technology,
Right.
especially one as powerful as AI.
Uh-huh.
One major concern is definitely quality control.
Yeah.
How can we be sure that the content being, generated by these AI teachers is accurate? Is it unbiased? Is it pedagogically sound?
That's a really important point.
Yeah,
We can't
yeah.
just blindly trust some algorithm to educate our children,
Exactly.
especially when it comes to those complex or sensitive subjects, right?
Oh, great.
There needs to be like a really strong system of human oversight to make sure that the AI isn't, giving out misinformation or perpetuating harmful biases or anything like that.
For sure. And then there's the question of the human element, which we talked about a bit earlier.
Right.
While AI can definitely be amazing at, delivering information and personalizing instruction, there are certain aspects of the learning experience that it can't replicate.
Yeah, you're talking about like the human connection,
Yes.
that intangible element that goes beyond just, transferring knowledge.
Exactly.
The mentorship, the emotional support, the inspiration that a great teacher can provide.
Yes. Yeah.
Those are crucial aspects of learning that we can't afford to lose.
Yeah, exactly. It's about finding that balance, right? Between harnessing the power of AI, but also preserving the vital role of human educators.
Yeah.
It's about using technology to, enhance and not replace the human touch in education.
So as we stand at this crossroads with AI, poised to revolutionize how we learn and teach, what does the future hold? What should we, as learners and educators, be thinking about? What steps can we take to ensure that AI is used responsibly and effectively in education?
Well, this is where it gets really, really interesting.
Yeah.
It's not about predicting the future. It's about shaping it.
Right.
It's about having these open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI in education.
Yeah.
It's about demanding transparency and accountability from the people who are developing and deploying these technologies.
And it's about remembering that technology is ultimately like a tool.
Yes.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad.
Absolutely.
It's up to us to make sure that AI is serving humanity's best interests, particularly when it comes to something as fundamental as education, right?
Well said.
Yeah.
We have to be active participants in shaping this future.
Uh-huh.
We have to ensure that AI empowers both learners and educators.
Right.
And that it fosters a world where knowledge is accessible to everyone and where the potential of every single individual can truly flourish.
This has been a really thought-provoking dive into the world of AI and education.
Yeah.
We've explored the potential benefits and challenges,
Yeah.
and hopefully we've given you some important questions to think about.
Absolutely.
Remember, the future of learning is in our hands.
That's right.
Let's make it a bright one.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.